Hello, Platero. How are you today? Fine? Good. And how do you feel? Happy or sad? I'm very happy because I have a story for you. The story of a monkey, Manny the Monkey. Ready to listen to the story? Okay, open your ears to listen to the story. Yes, well done, very good. Okay, let's start with the story. Manny the Monkey. Hi, I'm Manny the Monkey, and I am 7 years old. 7 years old. I like numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I like my crayons. I like green crayons. I like orange crayons, blue crayons, yellow, pink, red, and black crayons. And I can draw pictures. Draw pictures with the crayons. I like apples. How many apples can you see? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. Red apples. Can you see? 5 red apples. I like grapes. Yummy grapes. What color are the grapes? Are they red? No. Are they orange? No. What color are the grapes? Yes, they are purple. Very good. I don't like lemons. I don't, neither me. I don't like lemons. But I like melons. Can you see the yellow melons? Yummy. And I like bananas. Yummy bananas. How many bananas can you see? 2? No. 3? No. There are 4 bananas. Very good. I can eat 10 bananas. Yum, 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 yum. Delicious. Now, Platero, what's your favorite fruit? Do you like apples? Yes or no? Do you like bananas? Yes. Or lemons? Or grapes? What do you prefer? Okay, let's do this. Choose a fruit you like. Y para esto vamos a necesitar ayuda de los padres. Vamos a elegir una fruta que nos guste mucho. Y podemos elegir una que no nos guste. Nos vamos a filmar diciendo, in English, I like bananas. I don't like lemons. No, I like apples. I don't like grapes. ¿Se anima Platero a decir su fruta favorita? ¿O también contarme de alguna fruta que no les guste? Well, I want to see your videos soon. Bye bye, Platero. See you.